Building software is easy. Building software that drives business forward is different. If you're looking for engineers who understand business, not just code, you're in the right place. Axelliant is a California-based software development and AI company operating since 2017. With over 200 engineers, architects, and specialists, we deliver enterprise-grade solutions to startups and mid-market companies across the United States. We partner with companies that are scaling fast, but facing disconnected systems, manual processes, technical debt, and data that isn't driving intelligent decisions. Our expertise spans artificial intelligence, machine learning, and predictive analytics. We design and build custom software using React, .NET, and Python, architecting scalable cloud-native systems across AWS and Azure. We integrate APIs, optimize infrastructure, and build secure enterprise-grade solutions built for long-term performance. We don't just write code, we design scalable architecture, we think long-term. And we build systems that evolve with your business. Our clients trust us not just for delivery, but for clarity, reliability, and execution at scale, helping them reduce operational friction and accelerate growth. If you're serious about building technology that drives measurable business outcomes, let's start the conversation.